y'all, so I am going to be applying some Kiss press-on nails. These are the Salon Acrylic Nude nails. They're a little different from the French nails that I usually do, but yeah, let's get into it. I'm excited for this. All right, so when I open the pack, of course, the kit comes with the nails here. There is some glue already, and also a file and a cuticle stick. Okay. All right. So other products I will be using are Sally Hansen Healthy Cuticle Now, because I have horrible cuticles here. Okay. This tool right here to kind of cut my cuticles, the file that came with the kit, some wipes to wipe off the cuticle cream from my fingers, and some nail polish removing wipes for my nails, just so I can make sure my nails are clean before I apply the nails. Okay, so first things first, I will be using the Healthy Cuticle Now cream to kind of melt my cuticles away. All right, so I'm just gonna go and do my other hand. So now that the cuticle cream has set on my fingers for about 10 minutes now, I'm going to wipe them off with some wipes. And this product surprised me at first. I thought it would not make a difference in my cuticles, but it really does. So if you can see that, they just look a lot cleaner and not as jagged and all over the place and crazy. All right. Great. On to the next step. Okay, on to the next step. Now I will be pushing my cuticles back and cleaning out any of the dead skin that's coming out. See, this piece of dead skin came out of my thumb just now. Just pushing my cuticles back. I'm gonna do this with my other hand and head to the next step. All right, so the next step for me is to cut off all of the jagged cuticles that were lifted up with the cuticle cream. So my job right now is just to get rid of all of these things. All right, great. So this hand is about done. I will do this with my other hand and start the next step. All right, so the next step for me before I put on the nails is to use these nail polish removing wipes just to make sure there's no oil or anything on my fingers that will prevent the nail from fully sticking to my natural nails. All right, now it's time to apply the nails. All right, it's time for the final and last step. And just a tip, it's good to size the nails out on your own nails before you start to apply them. It just makes things a lot easier. Okay, so I'm gonna start by taking the glue that comes with the kit, and I will be putting a generous amount on my actual nail. So when I first got introduced to press on nails, sometimes I would use the brush and it wouldn't stay on, the press on nails wouldn't stay on for long. So I'm gonna hold this for at least 10 seconds. Looks pretty good. If you see any air pockets, try to hold them down, or try to hold the nail down so that the nail glue will dry and the air pockets won't stick out and they'll go away. Okay, all right. So this was definitely more like 20 seconds, but yeah. This is what it looks like so far, and I will be doing this with all my other nails. Okay, same thing, taking the nail glue, putting a very generous amount, but not too much or it will seep out from the sides. Just enough, right? Make sure the nail is snug in your cuticles and hold down. Hold down, I'd say, until you feel confident that not too many air bubbles will be underneath of your nail. All right, so now I'm gonna take this one off. This one off. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up and show you what I'm going to do after I apply all of the nails. All right, so now that I have applied all of the nails, of course I will take these things off. And I guess these things are just around to help you place a nail snug in your cuticle. Okay, so almost finished. Because there are these, you know, little nub things, I will make sure to file the nails. So there you have it. This is how I apply the Kiss Acrylic Home Salon nails in the color nude. Even though they look kind of like French manicures, it's nude.